Finally I finished another half of year length project. Now this one probably has most things than the last of two similar kind of videos. I'm still pretty upset with many things how they look, but let's hope that next time it's gonna be even better. Thanks Victor for helping with the project as well. He made Jinx minigun, and he was even kind enough to make a full tutorial series for my YouTube channel in where he shows how to make it. If you want more in-depth tutorials from him, feel free to check the first link in the description where I'm going to share his course. By buying it, you'll support him and me as well. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn how to do this, I have perfect news for you. I have completely free YouTube tutorial on this channel where I teach you everything you need to know on 3 program called Blender. We'll start with single sphere, and then we'll move with the sculpting, making her hair, making everything you need to know, and then even texturing and preparing the little scene where we get a cool pretty render. So don't wait for anything and click on my tutorial video. Another 2 super cool videos are coming out really soon. Leave your suggestion of what you want me to make next, because the upcoming video will be one from your suggestions. I hope you enjoy and see you next time.